Hello everyone, this is Hassan Akhtar and you're welcome back to my channel 50 Shades of Life, your platform for making your English sweeter and cuter. Today we will be talking about the three consonant sounds which are termed as nasal sounds. I repeat, nasal sounds, because these sounds are produced through the nose and not through the mouth. And the beauty of these sounds is in this very process. When you produce these sounds through the nose, they look nice, okay, but when you produce these sounds through the mouth, they look odd and unwanted. And believe me, अगर आपने कभी अपनी जिंदगी में नोट किया है तो ऐसे लोग जिनके नाक का कुछ इशू होता है, उनके पास अगर आप बैठ जाएं तो आप उनकी गुफ्तगू 5 मिनट नहीं सुन सकते। वजह क्या है? क्योंकि वो आवाजें नाक से नहीं निकाल पा रहे होते ना। एंड दीज आर वेरी often repeated sounds in every language, nasal sounds. तो जब वो ये आवाजें मुंह से निकालती हैं तो वो बड़ा अजीब और भद्दा सा लगता है एंड यू वांट टू रन अवे। आप चाहते हैं कि बस जल्दी से उस बंदे की बात सुने और निकल जाएं। एंड रिमेंबर कि अगर आप भी वो आवाजें सही नहीं पैदा कर रहे जैसी वो निकलनी चाहिए, तो सेम इज द केस विद यू। आपको भी लोग बस मजबूरन सुनते हैं और अगर आप आवाजें गलत पैदा करते हैं तो वो आपसे दूर भागने की कोशिश करेगी। सो act upon my advice and try to better your sounds. Not only English, if you want to speak good Punjabi or Urdu, your sounds should be good. Okay, so a language is all about sounds, because so when the phonemes are together, these make words and the words make sentences and so on. You know, the whole process of how languages are formed. Anyways, coming back to our nasal sounds. I'm repeating it again. Nasal sounds, when you produce these sounds from the nose, not from the mouth. Okay. Now the first sound is M, as in murmur or mango or mouth or this one. And as I was saying that I'm not a very talented person, right? So this is M. And similarly, N sound, as in nose and as in no, no. See, most of people say no. वो mouth से आवाज निकालते हैं इसको. They don't know how exactly this sound is produced. No. Wrong. No. Correct. So I want you to correct your nasal sounds. N as in nose and no and navy and never or November. Fine. The third consonant nasal sound is ng. अच्छा, उर्दू में जब ये नून और गाफ इकट्ठे आते हैं तो ये वो साउंड बनती है. In English, the examples are English and England and wings. Wings. Okay, so these are the nasal sounds, and as I've told you, you have to produce if you want to correct your sounds and if you want to look better when you're speaking not only English, any other language. Okay, this is all about sounds. If you correct your sounds, it means that you are correcting your whole language, whatever language you are speaking. Now we look at some sentences in which these nasal sounds have been used in abundance, and so that you could practice these sounds. Neelam Munir made a lunch for Mariam and Meena. Neelam Munir made a lunch for Mariam and Meena. See, this is so beautiful when you keep your mouth closed and the air which is coming from the lungs passed through your nostrils, and the sound produced sounds really amazing. English language sound sweet and interesting when you are good at the sound production. Sentence number 4. In the lawn, I saw the clean and green leaves of banana and mango. Keep practicing, keep working if you want to be a speaker whom people want to listen. That's it for today. Keep working. See you next time.